Sarasota's favorite free concert series wraps up this week with the final Friday Fest on the Bay at the Van Wezel. The popular Dr. Dave Band from Bradenton is this week's headliner, and we welcome some members of that high-energy band in today's Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away, guys.
I might have looked the other way, and I'd have never been aware. As it is, I dream of her tonight. Na 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 na. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Well, I have never known the like of this. I've been alone and I have missed things and kept out of sight. Other girls were never quite like this. Na 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 na. I've just seen her face, I can't forget the time. Our face when we just met, she's just a girl for me. I want all the world to see we met. Na 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 na. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Calling me back again. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes I'm falling, and she keeps calling me back again.
Oh, Dr. Dave's band! You guys are great.
Thank you.
Who's the doctor around here?
Oh, right here.
You're the doctor.
Yeah. How are you?
Very nice to meet you, Dr.
Nice
Dave.
to meet you,
Tell
too.
me about your musical style.
Well, we cover a lot of genres, but country, classic rock, bluegrass rock. We're doing a little bluegrass today because we wanted to do an all-acoustic thing, but Friday will be all electric, but doing some of the same kind of music, only kind of on steroids.
You were named by 2 newspapers as the reader's favorite.
Yep,
wow.
Reader's Choice Awards from a couple of different newspapers, the Bradenton Herald and the Anna Maria Islander.
So you guys are really good in the final Van Wezel concert of the year back on the Bay.
Looking forward to it.
Of course, Bobeth and I are going to be there, so if you need anybody to sing along, we're ready.
Well,
we're
now
ready.
that's a possibility.
We probably won't be on stage with them. Come see us at our booth for the final Friday Fest on the Bay. It is this Friday, and we will see you there. Go to vanwezel.org for more information. It is 5 to 9. Would you guys play us out?
Sure.
Let me get out of your way here.
All right.